Wait, just give it 2 or 3 minutes. Give it 2 or 3 minutes to start. I think so.
Sliding now.
It's coming? Give me 2 minutes. Just Oh, I'm using Uria's. Why is my hotspot not working? Wait. Where do you put the PDFs? In the group? Got it. Hey, who's the first speaker? Ajman, which is that? Wait. Ajman is 5K, right? KG. Check the live stream once again because I changed the Wi-Fi connection. Okay, just give it 2 minutes.
Oh, now net FOSS Kochi.
വേണ്ട നേരെ ഹാൻഡിക്കെട്ട്
ഞാൻ
okay, 5K. So this will be അപ്പോൾ കാണാൻ അതെങ്ങനെ മാറ്റി എനിക്കറിയില്ല
എന്താ കിട്ടുന്നു എന്ത്
No, it's just streaming.
application.
Hi everyone. Good morning, all people in the house. It's like a common practice that whenever an event or meeting happens, the crowd is always at the back. So maybe if you could all step forward. Thank you. All settled? Hello, okay, so you can have some energy and all. Alright, so formal introductions so welcome everyone, and this is our third FOSS meetup that's happening in Kochi. So I'm Ria and I work full-time at FOSS United. So FOSS United as an organization, it came up with a vision that India as a whole, it has become sort of like a startup hub. We have a lot of startups coming up. We have a lot of software companies. Manufacturing software invest ഒരു nation ആയിട്ട് പോയിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക. So with all of this coming up, we have actually found like FOSS United's co-founders, Vishnu ആയിട്ട് വന്ന രണ്ട് പേരുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. Where Kailash Nath, most of you might know him, Zerodയുടെ CTO, and Rishabh Mehta, ഇന്ത്യയിലെ തന്നെ ഉള്ള ഏറ്റവും ഒരു popular open source project ERP Nextന്റെ founder CEO. And both of them came together with this vision that even though India has become a startup hub, there is that old hacker spirit that used to be there in the 2000s, early 21st century, it started coming down. So our hacker culture, the FOSS experiments, everything they formed this coalition that came up as FOSS United. So as of now, our initiatives would be like we evangelize FOSS projects, we fund FOSS projects, we host events that sort of promotes the FOSS and the hacker culture. Almost like major cities every month we hold meetups. We have city FOSS conferences. We have our annual FOSS conference, which is India FOSS, and that's also this diverse space where almost like everyone is actually welcome who has the spirit and philosophy of FOSS.
Hi all. Very good morning. So the topic is about piking. Before going to the topic, let me introduce myself. I am Ajmal. Actually, I came from Ernakulam itself. So currently working as an associate architect with Cubist, handling Python and data science related projects. That's a short intro. So today's topic is piking. Piking is a library that is an open source library for the knowledge graph embeddings. Not a big one, very simple things. As you can see in the logo, there are some dots there. We are connecting that dots using that library. That's all with the piking. We can just go into the our agenda. So in between you can ask questions if anything arises. That's not a problem. So the thing is that we have checking what is knowledge graph and what is knowledge graph embeddings, and then we go into the piking. So anybody here in the crowd working on piking or knowledge graph related task? No. Actually, let's just check what is knowledge graph. You may be familiar with that one. That is, knowledge graph is a collection of data represent real world entities. As you can see, there are the real world entities will be objects, events, or situations or concepts. Entities, that is, there are several entities there, and it is connected through a relationship base. So we have normally represented it is in a triplet format, subject, predicate, and object. You can see that one. This is a simple knowledge graph. As you have seen, lots of objects will be there, like Da Vinci, Mona Lisa, Lily, James, Eiffel Tower, Paris, etc. Lots of objects. That is different kind of things. They are connected with different kind of relationships. So we actually representing a knowledge, that is knowledge about something, whatever it is, and yeah, we have representing the knowledge using this kind of graphs. That is what knowledge graph means to be. This is here we can see that Da Vinci painted Mona Lisa. So Da Vinci and Mona Lisa are two nodes, and they are connected with some relationship painted. Also, Da Vinci is a person. That is another kind of relationship. So this kind of information we can using this knowledge graph. But knowledge graph is we talk about the history of knowledge graph. It was already started in 2005 or up to 2010, around that range. After the Web 2.0, there is a very huge one of the concept is semantic web related to Web 3.0. In that time it was called, but currently that not up to the standards. But the related to Web that semantic web, these knowledge graphs are evolved, and it was used in lots of applications like search engines. There is a Google knowledge graph is there. and there is Facebook also using knowledge graphs. Like that, there are lots of applications of knowledge graphs came up. But recently there are furthermore some developments happens, that we can see that if we want to infer new knowledge from this information. So here there is